Hey, it's Mr. Stark here with our first video intro for the year. We'll be using this tool a lot for me to help explain some concepts that might need some more than just what the text provides, but that we won't have time for in class. So let's get started. First, a few words about me. I'm born and bred Michigander. I grew up in Southeast Michigan, right here. Little town, well, not little town, town of Brighton. Went to school over at Michigan State, over here, good old alma mater. Then I went to Creighton University in Omaha, Nebraska to earn my master's in education. Taught 2 years in the city there, and another 6 years in Kansas before heading back to the Great Lakes states, a year in Chicago, and now I'm here with you guys. So excited. I am the oldest of three. Let me see that slide. It's my brother and sister and me. We're on the Oregon coast, right next to the Pacific, on a really windy, cold, rainy day. It was absolutely glorious. I love to be outdoors by the water. And then, of course, parents are very lucky to have them around. They still live in Metro Detroit. Let's talk about us, though. As you know, we're a blended school. We do lots of stuff online, lots of stuff in person. We'll talk about a little bit about what this can look like because there's so much covered in science, and I love teaching science. And you will love it too, or you'll be amused that I love it so much you can't figure out why I'm such a geek about it. Choice is yours. So, when we're talking about blended learning, our class time together is about application. So we have the readings, and then we also have to, what are we going to do with this? Right? What does this mean? What does it look like? So it's so important we come prepared. If we're not prepared, the first thing I'll have you do is log back to your computer and do those self-check to make sure you have the background information so you know what we're talking about. If you don't have that background information, the in-class simulation, activity, lab, whatever it is, won't do you much good. So please be prepared. Or no, the first thing I'm going to ask you is do the self-check. Let's explore. Let's find things out. There's so much to learn, and that's what our time is about. What if you're studying online and you get stuck in a question? It happens to all of us. Your first bet, if you're stuck and you've reread the material and it does not make sense, look it up online. Run a quick search for the vocabulary word or what have you, so you can find your answer in another format. Check YouTube. There's so many wonderful resources. I'll try to collect those and share those in a document later. Give you a heads up of where you can look. Second, ask a classmate. Maybe they caught it. Third, ask me. Send me an email, grab me before, during, or after school. Whenever I'm not teaching, I'll be more than happy to sit down with you and explain the topics. And I'll have these videos for most topics put up as we go. Excellent. As again, if you're not prepared, you'll need to do that work before you can join the activity. It's just so crucial, we can't have it. And finally, last one I'll talk about is, what's our attitude in school, right? Or life? And I found this the other day on social media, and I thought, this is brilliant. Whatever you're doing today, do it with the confidence of a 4-year-old with a Superman shirt. That means just full bore, go for it, let's have fun, it's going to be great. And even if we struggle a bit, fantastic. It means we're growing, it means we're trying. We're here to support you here at Next Tech, and we're so excited to have you for this school year. All right, I'll see you in class.